In the far north of Italy, where rugged cliffs carve the sky, and meadows roll like waves of green, lies a land that feels otherworldly. This is the Dolomites, Italy's Alpine Crown, a sanctuary for adventurers, dreamers, and anyone who longs for untouched wilderness. Today, we'll journey beyond the famous postcards, deep into the hidden trails that reveal the soul of this majestic landscape. The Dolomites stretch across northern Italy, part of the Southern Limestone Alps, recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These peaks are unique, not just for their dramatic shapes, but for their rare pink hue that glows at sunrise and sunset, a phenomenon locals call immersive. But there's more here than beauty. This is a place shaped by history, culture, and adventure. We begin with the most iconic symbol of the Dolomites, Tre Cime di Lavaredo. These three colossal peaks stand like guardians of the region, rising nearly 3,000 meters. Most visitors stop at the main viewpoint, but if you venture further along the loop trail, you'll discover silent alpine meadows, war tunnels from World War I, and breathtaking views where the crowds disappear. Next, we head to Lago di Braies, perhaps the most photographed lake in the Dolomites. Its turquoise waters mirror towering cliffs, creating a scene straight from a painting. While most visitors stop near the boathouse, hidden trails snake along the lake's edge, leading into dense forests and quiet vantage points that feel like your own private world. For a view unlike any other, hike or take the cable car to Seceda Ridge. Its jagged spines rise like dragon's teeth, offering one of the most iconic views in all of Europe. From the top, hidden trails weave down into lush valleys and shepherd huts where time seems to stand still. Our journey continues to Alpe di Sorapis, the largest alpine meadow in Europe. It's a paradise for those who crave peaceful hikes, with endless grassy hills framed by towering peaks. In spring and summer, wildflowers blanket the fields, while in autumn, golden hues paint the landscape in warm tones. And here, on the lesser-known trails, solitude is your only companion. Our final hidden gem is Lago di Sorapis, a surreal blue lake that feels like a secret oasis. The trail to reach it is challenging but rewarding, winding through forests and rocky paths, offering glimpses of cascading waterfalls along the way. Once you arrive, the silence is broken only by the sound of nature, and the turquoise water looks almost unreal. The Dolomites change with every season. Summer is best for hiking and wildflowers. Autumn offers crisp air and vibrant colors, while winter transforms the region into a skiing paradise. For photographers, sunrise and sunset deliver unforgettable light. Bring sturdy hiking boots, start early to avoid crowds, and always respect the fragile alpine environment.